Infinity Wax Pre-Wash. Sprayed to all lower sections of the car. Left to dwell for a few minutes. First rinse. Making sure to remove all the pre-wash and loose dirt. Infinity Wax Incinerate Will Cleaner. Bit of colored snowfoam for color. Remember to like and subscribe for all future content. All products will be linked in the description. Alien Magic Gamma Snowfoam. Sprayed to the whole car. Then worked into all the nooks and crannies with a detailing brush. Left to dwell for a few minutes. Good rinse to remove the loosened dirt and snowfoam. Contact wash using the bucket method. Clean your ride microfiber wash pad. Using Infinity Wax. Pure shampoo and only working in straight lines. Final rinse, making sure to remove all excess soap from the car. Infinity Wax Rapid Detailer sprayed to the wet car. This helps protect the car from the drying towel and reduces the risk of swirls in your paint. High-quality paste wax applied to the whole car, one panel at a time. Always working in straight lines. Tyre gel applied with a detailing brush for an even finish. Two cloth method for cleaning the windows streak-free. One damp cloth and one dry cloth. No chemicals, no smears. Finally buff the paint to a high gloss shine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.